That dream beachfront apartment in Brazil could be hiding forged titles, fake sellers, and debts that become yours the moment you sign. Foreign buyers are prime targets for scams that weaponize your lack of Portuguese, your trust in helpful intermediaries, and your rush to close a deal. In this video, we unmask Brazil's most insidious real estate scams and give you a clear playbook to spot red flags and protect your money. The classic: a fake seller poses as the owner with forged ID or outdated deeds. You pay the deposit, then discover the real owner at the registry has never heard of you. In Brazil, the real proof is the updated matricula, the official property registry extract showing the true owner and every lien, dispute, or restriction on that property. Another trap is the contract-only deal. You sign a private contract, think you own the place, but the transfer is never registered, so legally, you may own nothing. Many properties carry hidden baggage, unpaid property taxes, condo arrears, even court judgments. In Brazil, those problems can follow the property, meaning they can follow you. Foreigners often only learn this after closing, when surprise bills and lawsuits start arriving in their name. At the extreme, you'll see land grabs, irregular subdivisions, and off-plan projects that are never properly approved or registered, leaving you with land you can't legally use or sell. Your first layer of defense is a real team: an independent Brazilian real estate lawyer, a licensed CRISI agent, and an accountant who understands taxes and capital flows. Never move forward without a fresh matricula, negative certificates for the seller and the property, and written proof that condo fees and municipal taxes are fully paid. Red flags: pressure to send money fast, payment links by WhatsApp, or requests for big cash deposits before due diligence. Legit deals survive scrutiny. Scams don't. Under-declaring the price to save on taxes can explode later with penalties, problems proving your true investment, and headaches when you want to sell or move money abroad. The goal isn't to scare you away from Brazil. It's to make sure your paperwork is as strong as your view and your returns. If you're thinking about buying property in Brazil, save this checklist, share this video with anyone chasing bargains, and subscribe for more real-world guides to safe investing.